Feeling drained no matter how much sleep you get, struggling with brain fog and low energy, it's not just stress or aging, it's your mitochondria. These tiny powerhouses inside your cells generate the energy your body runs on, but over time they weaken, leading to constant fatigue, mental sluggishness, and even slower recovery after exercise. That's where Advanced Mitochondrial Formula claims to step in. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped supplement? Let's break it down. What is Advanced Mitochondrial Formula? This supplement, made by Advanced Bionutritionals, is designed to support mitochondrial function, helping your body produce more energy at the cellular level. Unlike caffeine or energy drinks that give you a quick boost and crash, this formula targets the root cause of fatigue, your mitochondria's ability to generate power. Key ingredients and how they work. The formula contains scientifically backed ingredients that support mitochondrial function. PQQ, Pyrroloquinoline Quinone. This compound has been shown to help your body generate new mitochondria, essentially increasing your natural energy production over time. It's like adding more batteries to your body's power supply. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, essential for ATP production, which is how your cells generate energy. Low CoQ10 levels are linked to fatigue and muscle weakness. Acetyl-L-Carnitine helps transport fatty acids into mitochondria, turning fat into usable energy, making it a popular supplement for both brain health and physical performance. Alpha-lipoic acid and curcumin. These are powerful antioxidants that protect your mitochondria from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can slow down energy production. Magnesium, a vital mineral for ATP production, helping your body convert food into energy. What do people experience after taking it? Many users report noticeable improvements in their energy levels, mental clarity, and endurance. Some say they no longer feel the afternoon crash that used to hit them, while others report better workout performance and faster recovery times. However, this isn't an instant fix. Unlike stimulants that provide a quick but short-lived boost, this supplement works gradually by supporting your cells at the mitochondrial level. Most people notice significant changes after consistent use for a few weeks. Are there any downsides? Like any supplement, it's not for everyone. Here are some potential downsides. It's not cheap. Quality ingredients come at a cost, and this supplement is priced higher than your average multivitamin. However, when compared to constantly buying coffee, energy drinks, or other temporary fixes, it might be worth the investment. Results vary. While many users feel a significant boost in energy, some don't notice much of a change. Factors like diet, sleep, and lifestyle can affect individual results. It takes time. Unlike caffeine, which works within minutes, this supplement gradually improves mitochondrial function, meaning you might need a few weeks to feel the full effects. Should you try it? If you're constantly fatigued, struggling with brain fog, or looking for a way to improve endurance, Advanced Mitochondrial Formula could be a game changer. It's backed by science, made with high-quality ingredients, and designed to work at the root level, your cell's ability to generate energy. And the best part? There's a 90-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't see results, you can get a refund. So if you're ready to take control of your energy, click the official link in the description to learn more or order your bottle today. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.